Hello, I'm Michael Glass from MoveUpWithMike.com, where we focus on being financially literate so that we can make informed decisions about our financial future. As usual, we're going to start off with a little cartoon here about investing and how some people have to almost give up their souls to be successful traders in the market. This is the third installment on our video series on understanding Forex. We're going to focus today on what is a pip. Now, in order to understand what a pip is, we're going to review a little bit about our second series where we talked about what is a currency quote. Here we have the euro dollar, where the euro is the base currency and the dollar is the quote currency. Again, I encourage you to go to our second video in this installment to get more details, but this is our euro dollar. We shared that currently the euro dollar quote is 1.2665. And in that, the base currency, the euro, for $1 the euro is going to cost you 1.2665 in a dollar. Now, those of us in the States aren't really too much familiar with that 65, and that 65 has a lot to do with what is a pip. So let's get to that. Currencies fluctuate in fractions of a dollar called a pip. The pip stands for price interest point. A pip is the last decimal in a quote. So let's go back to that 1.2665. The euro dollar currently is at 1.2665. If we were to go up 2 pips, that would take us to 1.2667. If we were to go down 2 pips, 1.2663. You can see that last decimal point is where we gain and lose value. Now, in our next installment, we're going to talk about lots and where we can, and this will help you put value to how much is a pip worth. Well, it depends upon how much you invest. But first you have to understand how to calculate the value of a quote, and typically it's the last decimal in a quote. There are two, the majority of the quotes you'll see will have 4 decimals. There are 2 that only have 2, and we'll talk about that more again in our 4th installment, what is a lot. But we hope that this helps you understand basically what a pip is, looking at that 4th decimal in a quote. And as it rises and as it goes down, that's how we make money. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you next time.